Hello guys, nakahanap tayo ng parking over there. So ngayon papunta tayo sa church. Hopefully makapasok dito guys. Dito yung papasok sa church, yung secret door nila. Yun ang kotse natin guys. Oh, medyo madulas. Punta tayo sa church. Nakikita nyo tong tower na to. Ibig sabihin andyan na ang church natin guys. So medyo madulas, medyo slushy, pero hindi naman super dulas. It's not freezing rain or yung icy condition ang daan. Medyo slippery lang in some parts, not the whole road guys. Punong-puno ang parking, nakikita nyo naman. Hanggang doon, wala tayong makitang parking. So today is Palm Sunday. So busy ang church at maraming churchgoers. And alam niyo naman pagka mga Palm Sunday or Easter Sunday, we also got a lot of occasional mass goers, kasi umatid lang sila pag may mga okasyon lang, pero pag walang okasyon hindi naman sila pumupunta. At hindi naman natin sila ma-judge or ma-blame because they have their own reasons. So ito na ang papuntang church guys. Iba-ibang lahi nandito, but most of the people who comes to this church are still Filipinos guys. Alam niyo mga Pilipino, mga madasalin guys. So on the way sa church. Ang church natin guys is around 5 o'clock, so hindi pa nagsisimula. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. On the way sa church guys. Pasok na tayo. Hello, malamig. So tapos ng ating church. We're on our way home. Happy Palm Sunday. Tama ba tin? Happy Palm Sunday or Palm Sunday lang tin? It's Palm Sunday, walang happy. Happy Easter, tapos Palm Sunday. Makapalang snow dyan tin. We park over there. Dulas ang daan dito because we have a shortcut going out of the church. Paglabas namin, nandito tayo sa main road. Slowly lang, easy. Just watch your steps. Yeah, it'll be okay. So ngayon guys, pauwi na tayo ng bahay at pangit ang ating daan ngayon. At dumudulas-dulas na guys. So far, ang daming umatin ng church and everybody's going home guys. Kami rin. How you cook spring roll. So ano nilagay mo tin? Olive oil? Ano tin? Olive oil. Magagang mo yung tin.
Luto naman to.
Tingnan natin ang vegetable spring roll.
Hindi.
Ano yan? Pork? Nga, beef.
With patatas and pickles and...
Mga ilang minutes yan, tin? So wait for a few minutes.
ang kanin.
Kaya may 6 minutes sana din, tin? So wait for 15 minutes bago maluto, then we'll try the beef spring roll guys. Dito meron pa kaming Jollibee fish mango fry from last night. At si Mrs. gagawa ng suman. Okay, patingin naman lab. Gagawa si Mrs. ng suman.
Malakit.
Malakit as main ingredients. And we also got the coconut milk. And then, wash na yung suman. And then,
Ang bigas?
suman. Kinawash na muna ang bigas. And then, what's the next step, love?
And then cook it with the coconut milk.
Okay, cook it with the coconut milk. And usually, what's the process like? How many minutes does it take, love? Love? How many minutes does it take? An hour and a half for it to be finished. So looking forward for her suman. So while waiting for her suman, I'm still waiting for our spring roll, beef spring roll for 12 minutes. And this is my first my secret thing. I'm looking for my apple cider. That's my main tool to lose some weight pag kumakain ng madami. So itong ating ingredients for our suman. So we'll wait for a few minutes kasi si Mrs. Hinugasan pa niya ang bigas.
Malagkit na bigas.
Itong malagkit na suman. Malagkit na bigas. Suman kasi is the finished product. So ito ay ang malagkit na bigas. Okay. Yan, nakikita nyo naman guys, mas snow pa rin sa labas. So ang pwede nang gawin is kumain ng kumain. Okay, we're just turning the suman. The suman, halo-halo na. We're just turning the lumpia. Sorry, kasi gumagawa din ng suman si Mrs. So ito ang spring roll ni Christine. Kailangan i-turn para pantay. So ilang minutes ulit din? Hakutin nyo lang. Okay. First things first. So ituto ng beef spring roll ni Christine. And then ito ang ating upcoming suman. Dahil ito din pinakuratin or apple cider. Ano sa vinegar? Tingnan natin. Still hot. So ito na ating finished product. And then this is sausawan. We got the pinakurat. So yun natin dito. Tikman natin ang spring roll. It's a beef spring roll. Masarap to guys kasi bagong luto. Tikman natin. Teka. Mainit pa to. Sige, ikot ang camera. So guys. Okay, ito ating spring roll. Hindi ako gumagamit ng Osmo. Okay. Tikman natin. Ano? Very good. Kapag beef spring roll.
There is a Florida state statute that requires us to keep people incarcerated for at least 8 hours post the DUI. So
Ito pa.
he will be there for at least 8 hours, from 3 o'clock for at least 8 hours.
Very hot.
On scene,
Hot. That's really good.
DRE
Sarap.
experts evaluating him and they believe
May usok pa.
he was not impaired on alcohol,
Hindi ko na inipan.
medication, or drug. And again, he's cooperating with the Bureau of
Nakapit na din? Kaya siya nahuli. Sino yan? Si Tiger Woods?
Sarap. Masarap pero sobrang init. Sobrang katakawan ko. Paso-paso ang bibig ko sa init guys. I'll just finish this one and mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung suman. Hanghang. And mainit. So waiting for our suman, we just need to do some mixing. Masarap ang konmuti ng spring roll. Kinain ko kahit sobrang init. Ha?
Hindi mo nang ang secret dyan dito.
Ikaw, Tin. Tin, kain na. Oh, iyo.
Masarap.
Kain. Isa pa ako. Tin, ito.
Masarap siya?
It's good.
Mainit.
Mainit. Hindi ba it's good?
Mainit po.
Hindi masyadong mainit.
Gusto mo pa mag-pa ako ganyan uli?
Oh, sige. Why not?
May pickles na rin. Tapos, meron pala yung patatas.
Init.
May patatas siya.
Hop.
Oo, lagyan mo ng straw. Lagyan mo ng pickle. Masarap. Lagyan
Pero
mo
kahit
ng
ito lang, Tin, masarap na, Tin.
Ha?
Masarap.
Pwede mo lagyan na ng straw. Mag-create ka na lang ng gusto mo. Right?
Machan.
Pagka
Masaya mo, lab?
Pag ganito na ang texture, malapit na ilagay sa kahon para i-steam.
So, ito, ready na daw for kuhan. For packaging, ilagay sa dahon, tapos steam na para maging final suman.
For honor today, calling for survival, miracle. Flight attendant is sitting here.
Okay, we got the leaves here. So, ready na for transfer ang ating malagkit. Medyo mahabang proseso, pero pagka niluto, madali na lang, guys. At mas mabilis pag kinain. In less than 2 minutes, ubos na. Dito pa rin spring roll natin, but I'm done. Nakakain ako ng dalawa. Then we also have garlic fried rice, care of Jollibee. Is our Palm Sunday supper. Pero pang palabok, care of Jollibee. Busy kami ngayong Sunday magluto. To prepare ng food for supper. Try your spring roll. Nasa pa mainit. Good? Sarap? Mainit pa din? Kainan on Palm Sunday. Ito lang, ready na yan. Diyan na ilalagyan suman. All set na. Kain lang. Kaya pati ito pagkain. Gusto saging. Ito. Tsokolate nakatambay. Wala nang kumakain. Charon. Banana cake. Hindi maganda kapag may kasama ka, Tin. Yeah.
mas masarap yan pag hindi mo sprouts.
Mm-hmm.
Pati masarap yan lasa niya.
Tapos liempo, tapos konting isda pati baka. Para sa warma.
Pati ano,
Palabok pa. Titikim lang. Now we're wrapping the suman. We're showing the process. How to do it. How to make it. Sino, Tin? Wala, si Christian yung mahilig sa ganyan. Okay, we got the finished product here. This is our suman. Wow. This is the second time she made suman.
It's neat now.
Since it's Palm Sunday, we have leaves. And leaves means suman. Ngayon, hindi pa ito tapos. Finished product, hindi pa ito tapos, lab. Finished product for steaming. Not finished product for eating. Ilang minutes, lab?
15.
50?
Yeah.
50? Oh, I need to get ready pala. 9 o'clock na. Tapos papunta pa ako sa work. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, we're just getting ready for the Ricoa Cocoa chocolate for our suman, guys. Hintayin lang natin kumulo. Okay, here's the suman. Sa malamig na panahon kasi still snowing out there.
What is
So it love. Ikaw. Dip it. May sugar ka pa? Oh, goodness.
So, naiba yung beauty queen to beauty
Mm,
queen. So, parang may
Ayun.
reformating din, may career. Ganun ba hindi ko
How's it? Good.